Hello everybody, my name is Peyton Vinci. We are here at the Dollar General parking lot in Walnut Grove. So, there's a new construction that's going to be in 5 acres. It's going to be a new restaurant here in Walnut Grove. This is called Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A construction is here in Walnut Grove because there's Waffle House right here. There's sidewalks. It's going to be construction right here. This name is Chick-fil-A. Wow. They're making a construction area in Walnut Grove because they're going to be making it dirt right here. So, Chick-fil-A, there's one in Monroe, there's one in Loganville here in Walton County. So, it's going to be a construction in Walnut Grove, Georgia. So, this is the area right here in Walnut Grove. There's a lot of traffic going on, man. However, here is the area of the construction of Chick-fil-A, setting the construction with the groundbreaking news here in Walnut Grove. So that's a lot to us, and that's all of the things we can happen to us here. And it's cold, man. Oh my God, this is all of the things now. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe too. Bye.